So guys, the very first thing you have to do is just download that Herbal Teal mobile Lightroom preset, also the desktop Lightroom preset, also the camera preset. All the links are down given in the description. Now all you have to do is just download that mobile Lightroom preset and just copy it to your mobile gallery or the SD card. Now open the Lightroom application, just click on this plus icon on the bottom screen. Click on the three dots, unselect the JPG and also the video file and just select the RAWs. RAWs are the preset file, and this is the Urban Teal preset file. Now we're gonna add it to our Lightroom. So go to the all photos and just wait for the moment to photo or the preset to be added. Here is the preset imported to our Lightroom gallery. Now click on the three dots on the right screen and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's apply it to some photo and let's see how it actually looks. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference is really looking very amazing, guys. Let's just try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference is really making your photos to look very amazing. Let's just try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the different kind of giving a perfect urban tealish look, a very unique teal look to the photo, which will make your Instagram profile to the next level. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and preset like this for you guys for free. So guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Teal color giving it an amazing look. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and also don't forget to just press the bell icon so get notified of our videos and presets. Also guys, don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. So guys, go and check it out, that website. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, you can just download desktop Lightroom preset as also the camera preset of the same file. All the links are down given in the description. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.